Hi, and thanks for tuning in to Access Unlimited's YouTube channel. This is a detailed video to show you how to exit your Class A motorhome with a Glide and Go XR seated. We've got the step well cover in place here. Our next step is going to be to release the unit, the swing arm, so that it comes out in this direction. And depending on how tall you are, you can adjust the height on this using our controller right here to whatever's a comfortable height for you. I'm a little taller here, so I'm going to leave it way up where it's comfortable for me. So I put the seat right in place, put the seat back up, get the seat belt ready, and raise, rotate in, transfer, put the seat belt on, and then we're going to go straight out. In the full up position, this locking lever here will lock, but when you put it to the 45-degree position, it will release. So here I'm putting it in position, but then I'm going to raise it so that it locks in place. And we've also got our seat right here, which can be adjusted to be at the correct angle if you wanted to use a different angle. Okay, so next thing, Bonnie's going to transfer right into this seat right here. You can raise it to be a little bit more comfortable for her. Put the seat belt on. And we're ready to put in the rotate position, which is the 45-degree position. Come right down here. And if you don't want to swing around in the breeze up here on Windy Hill, you can lock it in position. Also adjust the seat to whatever angle you'd like so that you match up to where the wheelchair is. Once you're all the way down, transfer into the chair. You could leave the unit if you're parked, or if you'd like to stow it because you're going to be traveling, you can also release the seat and put it in a storage compartment on the outside or on the inside, wherever is convenient for you. This is an exterior rated seat, so it is meant to be left outside. There's no problem leaving it outside. Okay, so we've got the unit down now, and we're going to take the seat, release the seat back using this little pull cord here. Put the seat belt right around the back, and you can release the unit, leave it here, put it in a compartment, put it inside, or just leave it right on the unit. Raise as high as you like, and stow it against the vehicle using the rotate and locking options, and you're ready to hit the road. Thank you so much for watching our video. There are many other videos in the notes field down below, so please check them out. Our website is www.accessunlimited.com. You can check us out there and contact us. If you'd like to learn a little bit more about our company and our philosophy, please like us on Facebook at facebook.com/AccessUN. We're on YouTube with over 4,000 videos showing you tons of exciting solutions for getting in and out of your home, your RV, your vehicle, your boat, basically anywhere you want to go, anywhere you need a transfer. And that's at youtube.com/AccessUN. Follow us on Twitter at AccessUN, Instagram, we're Access Unlimited, Pinterest, Access Unlimited, 2 words. And of course, you can give us a call the old-fashioned way at 607-669-4822, country code 1, Eastern Standard Time in the United States. And evenings and weekends are no problem at 1-615-873-0518. Thank you so much for taking the time to learn about the Glide and Go XR seated in a Class A motorhome. We hope you've enjoyed watching the video, and we look forward to hearing from you soon. Have a great day.